Not sure what that object is there. I think it's a plane going by way out there. Yeah, I see it blinking, but this is Venus. Finally nailed it. It's been really low lately. And the other day I tried. It was difficult getting it on right now. But I'll try messing with the focus in a little bit. But let's just enjoy this here now that I got it on. Try to center it a little bit. Hopefully it doesn't mess this up. Here we go. Yeah, thanks to Rowdy Kelly, we were out in the woods this last trip. He rearranged the telescope. I guess I had a few things on not the right way, and he set it up, and I've left it as is since, except for I switched up the lens. You can hear all my nephews up there. It's 4 of them, 4 boys. And I live under them. I could only imagine. It was wild, just me and my brother. There are 4 boys, all different ages. Oldest just graduated, turned 18. We're gonna make a little adjustment here. And that's gonna be the street light right there towards the bottom right. So excuse any of that lighting. Looks super cool. Nice and colorful. Yeah, the boys are watching the game. Watching the Dodger game earlier at the shop. Got to see that home run. Super cool. All right, we're gonna adjust a little more here. Well, actually, I'm not even gonna touch it because I know the street light's gonna come into play here. So we'll just enjoy this. As you can see, it doesn't have like a perfect sphere shape or circle. It's got a little bit of an egg shape to it almost, it seems like. And stay tuned for more videos coming up. Actually, I got one set up. We'll be going back down to the Patterson-Gimlin film site. We went in July and just recently now in October. So we'll be sharing that. Did a little bit of cleanup while we were there. There's some areas that needed some cleaning up, so we went ahead and did that. Actually, the guys did a lot more. Rowdy had me supervising. There it goes. Let's see. Let's play with the focus. All right, we're gonna try to adjust and continue catching this. Let's see here. All right, there's the street light. Dang it. Let's see. Loosen that. Getting a little more familiar. Whoa. Well, that almost took us out. Yeah, it's not looking that cool anymore, but all right, we'll adjust this here. Gotta loosen this piece up here. Don't know what it's called, but pull up and tighten it. It does drop a little bit after that, but not bad. Too bad that the street post is right in the way. Actually, I could go in the street maybe, but then I'd have to find it again. Let's give it a shot. Ooh, there it is. Let's see. There you are. try to set this down slowly so I don't lose it. I have to make a little adjustment there, so it's right about there. I'm in the street right now. Let's see, pull up. Yes, pull up. See some trees in the way at the bottom there. A little bit of lens flare, probably due to the street light also. Yeah, you can feel definitely the weather changing here, and of course they've been spraying, so I'm sure that's affecting things, but we're getting into that fall vibe for sure out here. Southern California does have a particular feel. I like it. But then I like the small towns as well up north. Over in Oregon, one of the small towns that's near us does I think they do a haunted tour of this town. It's an old haunted mining town. Never got to do the tour though. And then there's an old cemetery. I'm sure it has stuff going on right on the outskirts of town there. But yeah, there's a bunch of stuff to do out here. Since we grew up in Hollywood, we had Hollywood Boulevard, and that is just a madhouse. And I'm sure it's going to be a madhouse this year too. So that was our type of Halloween. Make another little adjustment. See if we could catch a little more of this. There goes sirens all day, all night, never fails. We might even get the train going by in a bit. Oh yeah, I wanted to play with the focus a bit. Focus here. See if that does anything. Getting some telescope practice here. Excuse the shakiness as I rotate the focus, try to figure out what way. Let's see. And then sometimes I gotta kind of help it a bit, give it a little push. Try something else. Phone focus there. About some zooms. Interesting how it's got that line going through there, almost in the middle, kind of towards the left. Kind of want to zoom a little more, but I don't want to shake it too much right now. It's coming to the 10-minute mark. Let's try a zoom here. goes sinking down. Moves pretty fast. All right, cool.